Polaris Expedition is the most capable off-road adventure vehicle, allowing you to stay out longer in diverse terrain. Explore more and with fewer stops for fuel ups with an industry-leading 12.5-gallon gas tank, boasting over 200 miles of fuel range. With 14 inches of ground clearance, high-clearance ARs, and a full-coverage skid plate, Polaris Expedition effortlessly navigates over obstacles, taking you on even more adventures. Cruise through trails with quick acceleration from the 114-horsepower ProStar 1000 Gen 2 engine, paired with 30-inch tires, giving you the traction to climb, crawl, and haul gear with confidence. The sealed electrical system is designed to endure the elements, while the high-mounted air intakes keep fresh air coming to the engine, all allowing you to maintain performance and power through various challenges.
sales and service and spares business. And Bangalore, we are adding Mr. Kriti Prasad as a Bornfree Motors. So like that. So it's 13 years in India.
And you?
No, we have upgraded the dealership. We are operating in Karnataka for the last so many years, but I think this is the best opportunity we can leverage this Bornfree Motors, and we can see the full potential of Polaris for state of Karnataka. It's not 100% true. If you see the overall customer profiling or demographics, profile of the customers there, our ATV starts from 70 cc and goes up to 1000 cc. So I think it's a vast variety of products which we offer in the market. So it's not only for the elite class. The range is available from the beginners to the professional to the mid-range of the ATVs. And for sure, yes, they are the very premium ATVs, so of course they are expensive. But the premium product with the best of the performance comes with a good price tag. But yes, coming back to your original question, like if you talk about the serious off-roaders or enthusiasts or adventure-loving people, I think price is the secondary thing. First, you need a best of the experience, and we are offering in the market. So that's the biggest thing.
So what is the price tag starting from?
Ashish, would you like to listen?
The price tag for our vehicles starts from 4.5-5 lakh rupees and goes to 95 lakh rupees. So it depends upon the kind of vehicle what we are looking at. So it starts from 70 cc and goes to 1000 cc. This is the 1000 cc engine. So this is the biggest vehicle what we have today in India.
So to simplify your query, basically we offer ATV and the side-by-side and snowmobile. Of course, in Karnataka, let's not talk about snowmobiles. But yes, in ATVs we have a variety of the product, and in the side-by-side we have a Ranger type vehicle which is lying over there, and we have few more unveilings lined up there. So you will see more exciting products from that particular portfolio.
How many?
Okay, the answer to the first question, we have 10 official authorized dealers pan-India, and the business model works like that. We don't have multiple dealers in one state, so we offer dealership in the capital of the state. So if you see the prominent markets, including Karnataka, so we have a presence in the capital city only. So like Mumbai, Bangalore, maybe Chennai, like. And the second question, of course, I would not have to share the exact numbers here, but yes, it's growing with a CAGR of 15 to 20% year on year, so which is a great situation for us.
Any expansion plan?
Okay. So as of now, I think we are pretty happy, and we have a great set of dealers in India, and we are not trying to add up too many dealers as of now. And we wish to operate with the existing setup, and I think that's a very efficient setup right now, and they have a fair reach within the state, so I think we are pretty happy with that.
Yeah. Upon one.
Apart from that. What's your lead time?
For sure, we have